Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Juvia'S Play Sweet Pinks palette. And I'm going to see what type of look that I can come up with this. This is one of the new palettes, the mini palettes that they came out with, the 6-pan palettes. Along with the taupes and mauves palette. So we've already done a look with the mauves and the taupes, and now we're going to the sweet pinks. So if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to throw up my crazy hair. And take off my glasses. Actually, I want to do like I did yesterday and put some swatches on my arm for you guys. Alright, these are one swipe swatches. You got 3 mattes and 3 shimmers again. Super pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to take off my glasses and put on a little bit of Milani eye primer. Alright, first shade I'm going to take is this hot pink shade down at the bottom. And I'm taking it on a Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush. And I'm going to put that color in my crease. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E25 and I'm going to go into this purpley pink shade here. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. I might actually try a halo eye, so I'm going to put a little bit of that in my, let me get a smaller brush. Taking the Alter Ego number 7, just a pencil brush, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And kind of connect those together in the crease. Alright, I'm going to take this pinky shade at the top and I'm going to put that in the center. I got a cotton around some micellar water on it, and I'm going to clean up my edges over here. Taking the Pour No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. And I'm going to dot that on my face real quick. This kind of has a weird smell to it. Alright, now I'm taking the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation with hyaluronic acid and collagen in 20 Classic Ivory. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Alright, I'm taking the Sigma F47 multitasker brush. I'm still loving this brush. It's a really good brush. I'm glad I picked it up. I was gonna say I forgot to put it in my favorites, but actually I talked about it when I talked about the BK Beauty 101 brush. And I also realized I forgot the one size palette. I forgot to say that is one of my favorites too. That's a really good palette. Alright, I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in L150 Porcelain. I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Sorry if you hear a bunch of stuff. That's my cat going crazy down in the floor. I'm using my concealer brush to blend that out. And I burnt my finger when I was lighting my candle, and it hurts pretty bad. It's weird how something so small like a paper cut or a little tiny burn, something like that, can hurt so bad. Alright, I'm going to take the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Alright, so I'm taking the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. And I'm just going to take this lightest color. I don't want to go too crazy. These are pretty pigmented too, so I'm going under the chin, going down the neck. Alright, I'm taking the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette again, and this time I'm going to take Lena right here. And I'm going to put that to warm up my cheeks. Going over my nose to be sunburnt and sun-kissed. Alright, I'm taking the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter Palette. And I'm going to take this icy shade right here at the top. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going over the brow, over my other brow, nose, Juvia'S bow, and chin. Alright, I'm going to take that same kind of pinky purpley shade and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Alright, I don't have anything for inner corner highlights, so I'm just going to use my highlighter that I used and put that on my inner corner. I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I'm going to put that on my lashes. Alright, I'm taking the Revolution Satin Kiss Lip Liner in Chauffeur. And I'm going to use that to line my lips. Alright, I'm taking the Ride or Die Lip Balm in Boss Berry. And I'm going to put that on my lips, over top of the lip liner. We'll see how that looks. I think I got too much. Alright, now I'm taking the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. No, I'm not. I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh Mist in Refreshing Cucumber Scent. And I'm going to spray my face. Has a really fine mist. Alright, well this is the final look using the Juvia'S Place Sweet Pinks palette. And again, that's what she looks like. I had a lot of fun playing with this. The shadows are super pigmented, really pretty. Blended out very well, very blendable. The same Juvia'S Place formula that I have come to know and love. And I think what I came up with is beautiful. I haven't done a halo eye in a while, so there we go. I don't know if I've done a halo eye on my channel, actually. This is a really great palette. If you're interested in it, I say go for it. The mauves as well, the taupes, that's just up to you. I enjoyed it, but I think that maybe it being a little light, the colors being light, and maybe a little too similar for some people, that's why they didn't like it. But I enjoyed it and thought I came up with a great look yesterday, so I recommend all three of them. If that's something that you're looking in to do, I recommend all three of them. So I just hope this doesn't stain my eyelids. That's the only thing I'm worried about. But it didn't stain my arm, so hopefully it'll be alright. But I think that's going to be all for me. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family. And ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.